In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the convert function in Google Sheets. This function is very self-explanatory. It converts one unit to another, which makes it quite useful. We have the different type of units right here and some codes to use whenever using the function. Let's get started. So our examples here are temperature, weight, and distance. We're going to be converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, pounds to kilograms, miles to kilometers. Let's get started with the temperature. So let's put in our formula, equal sign, type in convert. You have your formula here, which is value, start unit, and end unit. So our value is right here, put in a comma, our start unit in quotations, so that's big letter F representing Fahrenheit, comma, our end unit also in quotations, which is big letter C for Celsius. And if you press enter, you have there 190.56 degrees from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's try our weight. So we're converting pounds to kilograms. Start your formula with equal sign. Convert your value, your start unit, which is going to be lbm representing pounds, comma, and your end unit in quotation, which is kg for kilograms. Press enter, and you have 68.04 kilograms from 150 pounds. And our last example would be distance. We're converting miles to kilometers. Start your formula, type in convert, put in your value, start unit, which is mi, and end unit, which is km. Press enter, and you have 321.87 kilometers converted from 200 miles. And that's how easy it is to use the convert function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.